Alright, y'all, we're here at Gateway Classic Cars, and we on the hunt for something Japanese. And lo and behold, I think I see something well down here. Looks like there's a Datsun 280Z here. It's your boy Citizen Z here in Dallas, Texas, as always. Checking out the Gateway Classic Cars collection, which has been closed to the public for about a year. They'll be open again in a couple of weeks, they said. So we're gonna take a quick little tour, see what all they got in here. You got a lot of American muscles, such as these Trans Ams, Chevelles, if you like Caprices, we got that, Impalas, Bologna Camaros. Got all the goods, yo. Got Bel Air over there, is nice. Lone Motor City over here. Anyway, wish I came a little more prepared. Showed up with a dead battery. One down on my phone, so we'll get to the things that matter on this particular trip. Come back for part 2. I've been wanting one of these for a long time. Ever since Sega Rally on the Sega Saturn. Game console came with a demo disc that had one of these as the rally car. Oh, it's right-hand drive. Nice. Nice. Like it's a 5-speed manual, looks like. Can't really find one, at least not this clean, not even in the States. That's nice. Oldsmobile Lane Yacht. Coupe de Villes. My grandma had one of those. That blue one over there. Hers was black with a all red leather interior and red pinstripes. Sold it to a guy who lied, called himself a preacher. Didn't have the car more than a week before he crashed it, totaled it. But this thing is mint. Jeez. I think I know what I'm spending my stimulus check on. Damn. I heard some pimped out cars before, but this is ridiculous. This thing is huge. Look at that. That's a big boy. Sliding top. That's nice. I like that fender arch right there. This right here. Little fin arch on the door. That's cool. Little air vents on the rear. On both sides. Interior is clean. Look at that diamond wrap steering wheel. Who got this from AutoZone? Seriously. It's pretty sharp. Datsun Camaros. Late 90s, early 2000s, I think. Don't see a price tag on it, but it is a 2002. And this is also a 2002. Alright, y'all, let's get to what we came here for. There we go. New arrival. 2+2, no less. I'm gonna take a guess. It might be a 76, but 75 or 76. It's definitely not a 77. Definitely a 78. It's gotta be a 75 or 76. Just looking at the bumpers. Pretty clean. It's like this deep root beer. Okay, that's about close to actual color right there. Copper, like a root beer, like a copper brown, copper gold. Auto tragic. That can be easily converted though. It's got a radio delete plate right there. Y'all see that right there in the middle? Where it says Datsun, it's a radio delete plate. Might have some kind of aftermarket switch there too. In the middle, toggle switch. I wonder what that's for. Probably to raise and lower the radio antenna. Somebody installed one of those on my 77-280Z. Comes with louvers too. Shadows or inner parts. Like inner part louvers. Yeah, I'd probably say inner part. Cell phone suck. There we go. Yeah, but she's solid. I mean, got a little bit of paint bubbles going on. Nothing I don't think wouldn't buff out. Could be a quick respray. I don't know. I don't see any signs of anything around the. Yeah, but they took the glass out when they repainted this. Austin, Texas, huh? Austin city limits, baby. Got your AAA protection. That just look clean. Nice and new. Anyways, it's a pretty solid car. Not bad, not bad at all. Miata over there in the corner. Let's go to the Super B section. Check out what's going on over here. This thing is beautiful. 1966 Dodge Coronet. Oh, Charger. 66 Dodge Charger. Let's make sure here what I got. XP29 F61272214. That's the VIN tag information for you vehicle decoders out there. Ain't much else on it about the specs and all that. I like the blacked out emblems. That's nice. Blacked out Dodge lettering. Black on blue. Very nice touch. Very nice touch. Blue and black. Can't lose on that. Very beautiful car. Automatic tranny. Front and rear center console. Nice touch. Blacked out grille. Blacked out Charger logo. Right on. I guess those are Holler brands. I'm not sure what type of wheels those are. It's a nice touch. There's some BFG. Coronet 400. No, 440. Wow. That's all motor right there, y'all. 444 barrel. .440 high performance. It's a pre-trick clutch fan. Look at that. It's got cooling blades on it and everything. That is some serious business, y'all. I've never seen a clutch fan like that before. Some serious business. Alright, for you VIN tab boys out there, we got 66 Dodge Coronet, VIN number WH23E6110594. Now you guys can tell me what all this thing came with factory. It's all original on that. It's a very nice setup in there. Dodge Dart Swinger. Got the black wraparound stripes. Dual snorkel hood. Next to the Belvedere GTX. Alright, y'all, the Swinger is a 72 VIN LH 23 G2B506197. All you decoder guys out there. That's beautiful. Matching color steering wheel. Jeez, that's beautiful. This will probably be my pick. Look at the seats. Seats got a little pattern in it. I wonder if that's factory or aftermarket. Custom job, maybe. Unfortunately, y'all, we can't pop the engine, pop the hoods on none of these things, so the way they are when I got here is the way they gotta be. Otherwise, we take a look at this little bad Oscar right here. Belvedere Gtx Plymouth. Look at them scoops. Look at this logo though, man. The emblem is everything. 440. Put your hands together in prayer is what it looks like. All praise to 440. 67 GTX, VIN number RS23L711606658. Plymouth GTX. It's pretty. Got some Mustang action for you guys. It's pretty cool looking hood shape. And air scoop shape. No information on this one. All I can see on top of my head. That steering wheel is gorgeous though. With all that chrome. Silver and black, baby. Like these two cars got the same kind of rims, probably came from the same collection. Would appear so. And just another clean car, excellent driver. My grandma had a Mustang, a white one. I think it was a 66. I only remember seeing that car once. I was maybe like, I don't know, 3 or 4. I remember she lived upstairs in this apartment complex, and this was a 65. VIN number 5F07A714113. Anyway, I remember she lived upstairs on the 2nd floor, and I remember looking out the window and she pulled up just below me and off to the left, maybe 2 or 3 parking rooms over. In this white 66 Mustang. I knew the car was hers, even though I don't remember seeing that car before, but I know I've seen it before. Strangely enough, I've never been in that car. I never rode with her in it, that I can remember. I brought it to her one day, a few years back, you know. I said, hey, Grandma. When it dawned on me finally that she was a car girl at one point in her life. I said, you had a 66 Mustang, didn't you? She said, yeah, you remember that? I said, yeah, I remember you pulled up one day and I was over at your house. You pulled up and got out, closed the door and came inside. But I don't remember riding that car. It didn't dawn on me that you were a car girl. She said, yeah, I used to like the Mustangs. This is a grandma who came from the modeling industry, you know. She was known as a high heel stepper. Back in the 60s, she was in that mod life and all that stuff. But the whole time I knew her growing up, I saw that one memory. I never known her to be in the cars, but she was a Mustang girl. I don't know if something got her out of it or whatever, but she was a gearhead at one point. Yeah, this is crazy, huh? I don't know who made this, but damn. It won't even fit in the photo, okay? I can't get the whole car in the frame. It's a 57 Belvedere stretch limo. Done right, too, apparently. Look at this thing, man. It's legit. Look at them seats. You can feel like, damn, look at that. It's got a cabinet in there for your drinks. They weren't playing no games. They were not playing games on this. This Corvette, by the way, is dusty, looking like a straight barn find, but we'll get to these another day. Come back for part 2, y'all. Got a partition, roll-up partition back there. Custom cruising for a career. Custom cruising for a career car show award. I guess it won like first place or something. That's legit. Plus they found a way to continue that stripe all the way back, but I guess I'm supposed to go all the way back. Alright, y'all, we're gonna wrap it up here. Unless I see something other Japanese, which I kind of doubt. But anyway, Gateway Classic Cars here in Grapevine, Texas, y'all. Get a chance, come check it out. Tell them JPAN GT, DPAN GT sent you. And yeah, all these cars are for sale, by the way. So everything's on consignment. They got Maxwell's, Bel Airs, Dodges, Fords, Land Cruisers, Rovers, a Nissan Patrol right here. I ain't seen one of these in a minute. Nissan Patrol, ain't that something? That's nice. 1971 Nissan Patrol, VIN number L6033293. For all you Dakota guys out there, and it is an American spec. Left-hand drive, stick shift. Seats are in nice condition, a little dry, starting to get a little cracking going on. Rear seats on both sides, spare tire. Not too bad. I wonder what this, probably for the tire mount things or whatever. Fender mirrors, right? How's that for you JDM boys out there? Land Rover, sheesh. 87 Toyota Land Rover. I believe it's Toyota. No, Land Rover Defender. 87, VIN number SALLDVAC 7A25 9503. If I'm reading that right. 5-speed for that one. Back to the Patrol. Here's what we're working with here. Pretty decent car, really. Or what's this, a truck, Jeep? What would you call this? A Ute? Right-hand drive. Come on now. This thing's got a whole lot more interesting. Aftermarket seats like a mud. Land Rover 90, Land Rover Defender. I like these little scoop things, that's pretty cool. Little individual deals. It's 2.5 liter 4-cylinder diesel, 5-speed manual, 116,000 miles. 87 Land Rover Defender. It's not bad. Not bad. Next to a Nissan Patrol, next to a Ford Bronco. Well, I would be remiss if I didn't get the Bronco, right? It's a beautiful car. Like an off-white. It's not this white in the pictures, but it's like an off eggshell white kind of color. Manual tranny. Solid driver. I don't know how much they want for it, but it's pretty solid. '73 Ford Bronco, VIN number U15GLQ20044. For all you Dakota guys out there. It's got the original hubcaps, I guess, all the way around. And this right here is the original, I guess, off-road kind of deal. Straight open air, convertible top, old style. Alright, yeah, I gotta go. My battery's about to die. Anyway, HRM, Maxwell's nice. I'll see you guys in part 2 later on another day. Like, share, subscribe, all that jazz. JPAN GT. You can get merch at DPAN GT, DPANGT.com. And let us know in the comments what else you guys want to see from us. We got all kinds of content coming out every week. So take care of you guys. I'll holler at you soon. Coming live from Grapevine, Texas, over at Gateway Classic Cars. Later.